Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create this really easy 5-minute smoky eye. It's perfect if you're running out the door in a hurry but just want to add a little something to the eye area. So the first thing I'm doing as always is priming the eye. Don't miss out on this step no matter how much of a hurry you're in, because at the end of the day, no point in doing the steps to follow this if it's just going to wear off during the day anyway. So the primer then as well will not only help your makeup to last all day long, but it also makes the blending process that bit easier to do, which again speeds up the makeup process for you. So your shadows will just blend seamlessly and there's no mess or fuss. I'm using my face bronzer today in place of shadow just to add a bit of depth to the eyes. I like to do this too because it just ties everything together nicely. So as you can see now with my well-loved L'Oreal bronzer, I'm going to get to work. So I usually use this to frame the face, so around the forehead, down along the cheeks, jawline, nose, and then I find it pairs nicely on the eyes too. So I'm just taking a Coastal Scents BR250 brush, and I'm loading the brush up a little more than usual. As you can see, it's worked right into those bristles. I like to apply my shadows in light layers, as you know, and build up the intensity, but if I'm in a hurry, I load up the brush a little more and get to work. So I apply a medium layer of shadow, if you will. So today we're using a bronzer, not going in too heavy-handed, that I can't blend out the product. And that clip there was in real time, so it really took me no length of time at all. I've swirled my brush back in the bronzer now and I'm reapplying it. This time I'm adding it to the lid area first and then up into the crease, pulling the bronzer upwards and outwards to give me a nice lift to the eyes. Again, literally took me 30 seconds. So I'm looking up now and I'm going to blend that bronzer down around the lower lash line just to balance off the look. I'd usually use a small bullet shaped brush to get right into the lash line and smoke the shadow down there. But again, using the same brush today because time is of the essence, and I'll get a nice softer, smokier appearance with the fluffy brush anyway. So I'm adding a black pencil to my upper waterline, and to be honest, not even so much the waterline but the lash bed itself, just to help darken and thicken up those lashes. If you don't want to tug at the eye area with your finger to expose the waterline, use a cotton bud, or just simply if you want to coat that lash bed alone, you don't even need to pull up the eye area, just simply wriggle that pencil along the area itself. I then like to use a nude liner in the waterline to make the eyes appear a bit bigger and brighter. This one is just from NARS. It's one of the high pigment longwear liners. And now I'm going in with my face highlighter. This one is just from Too Faced that I rediscovered in my collection recently. I'm adding a bit of brightness to underneath the arch of the brow and around the tear duct of the eye. I then actually added a pair of the Eimear Sea Lash lashes. These are really natural and more so for the effect of the tutorial. If you have the time, by all means, and absolutely more power to you. But a few coats of mascara does the job. I'm using the L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara to coat the top and bottom lashes, and that's it. Literally takes 5 minutes and looks like you put in a load of effort when you really didn't. Multi-purpose products are really great, but I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I'll catch you all really soon.